Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here today to do a quick unboxing. This is an item that is not on my wish list, but I decided to get. So if you want to find out what I got, keep on watching. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So I'm going to try to do this. So I will take the lid off. There we go. Oops, something is falling out. Let's see. So here is some Gucci cards. I think probably they're the care cards or something like that. I don't know. So the item that I got is right here. And what I got is, oops, there you go. These are the Gucci Ace sneakers. So, like I mentioned before, these are not items that I had on my wish list, but I've been wanting to get white sneakers. I have some Adidas, and I will put a picture somewhere here so you can see those, and I really like them, but I wanted to look something a little bit more designer style, and I decided to go with the white classic Ace sneakers. So what I like about this particular pair is that it comes with the different back. I don't know what that's called, but I get heel. Yeah, you're the heel. So as you can see, the green is the right one and the red is the left one. So there you go. And like I said, I decided to go with the one with the classic B. The one without the B, I think it comes with just white, and those are the ones that you can also wear as slides, which I don't like that. I feel that kind of will ruin the shoes. So, but again, that's just not my style, but I really like them. I feel they're so cute. Like I said, they're all leather, and it has just like a rubber sole. I will insert close up so you can see better. And as far as sizing, I had to go a full size down, and I could have gone 1.5 size down. The only reason I didn't go 1.5 sizes down is because I was afraid that they were not going to stretch. I mean, it felt okay. It wasn't too snug or too loose, but at the same time, the one size down felt more comfortable. I'm usually a size 8, 7.5, 8, but for the most part 8. My feet are sort of wide, and an 8 usually is the best for me. And in these ones, I have to get them in a 37. So again, if you think of getting these shoes, just really think about going to the store and trying them on, because I don't think that you can really order online without, trying them on, unless you have already tried some other shoes from Gucci and you know exactly how they fit. But in my case, like I said, I went a full size down, and I could have gone a size and a half down, but again, I didn't want to risk it, because once you wear them, and if they're too small or they don't stretch, then you stop with them. I really like them. I feel that these shoes are perfect for just the casual outing styling. You can use these with I don't know, jeans or a maxi dress or like a sundress. I actually bought a nice cute dress at H&M that I think is going to be perfect for these shoes. So I'm really excited. Again, this is not something that I was planning on getting, but at the same time, I wanted to, try something different. And at the same time, obviously, this is not something that I'm going to wear every day, but definitely something that you can make a little bit of a statement. Just again, just wear them with some blue jeans or white jeans, you know, a t-shirt, and you know, a nice handbag, and you're ready to go. I feel that it's the perfect shoe to run errands or even for travel, like a nice, you know, airport style. But again, let me know if you have them, if you like them, what do you like about them, how do you wear them, where do you wear them. As far as caring for the shoes, I didn't read the care card, but I'll definitely clean them with a water wipe. That's actually what I use for all my handbags. So I feel that that would help keep them clean after each use, so that, you know, dust and dirt doesn't accumulate. And then obviously the laces, as they get dirty, you can wash them. And the rubber, I would maybe use instead of a water wipe, if because this is a little bit porous, it's not, you know, smooth. So I could use either a magic eraser or one of those Clorox wipes, but I will just clean the rubber part, not on the leather surface, because again, you don't know if any kind of abrasive fluids from those wipes can actually ruin the leather. So let me know how you like these shoes, if you have them, how do you style them, or if you're thinking of getting them. Please go ahead and ask me any questions down on the comment box, and hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.